Welcome to this quick guide on finding archived groups on WhatsApp, web on PC with the latest update. If you've ever hidden a group and can't remember where you stored it, this video will walk you through the simplest path to locate it again. First, open WhatsApp web and make sure you're signed in. You'll see your chat list on the left and an area where conversations appear on the right. Start by locating the archive section, which lives where your normal chats are listed. Look for the label that says archived. It's usually at the bottom of your chat list or tucked behind a menu if you're using a narrower window. Click on archived to reveal all the chats you've tucked away. Next, you'll see a clean list of all archived conversations. This is where the magic happens if you're trying to recover a group. Scroll through the archived items until you spot the group you're after. If you got a lot of archived chats, you can use the browser's search function to speed things up. Press Ctrl+F or Command+F on a Mac and type part of the group's name. This helps you jump directly to the right item without endless scrolling. Once you found the group, you can decide what to do next. If your goal is to rejoin the group to catch up, simply click the group to open it. You'll see the usual conversation thread, and you can unarchive it by returning to the archive section and choosing to move it back to your main chat list. In most updates, unarchiving a chat is as easy as selecting the chat and choosing unarchive, or simply continuing the conversation, which redocks it into your active chats automatically. If you want to keep things organized going forward, consider archiving groups that aren't active and keeping notifications on for the ones you care about. This way, you maintain a clean main chat feed while still having quick access to anything you've archived. That's all there is to finding archived groups on WhatsApp web on PC with the latest update. A quick search, a click into archived, and you're back in control of your conversations. If you found this helpful, try it out now and streamline your WhatsApp workflow.